These interactive Google Slide activities are great for distance learning and paperless classrooms. There are 8 options for differentiation that you can mix and match for the needs of your students. I've drawn this diagram in Adobe Illustrator to provide students with a clear, colorful, and engaging diagram for them to use. In addition, I've also added diagrams that show fertilization all the way to implantation to give a sense of what the structures of the female reproductive system are used for. The first 3 options are all drag and drop activities. The first option, seen in the middle, involves dragging and dropping the labels of the structures onto the yellow boxes of the diagram. The second option to the left involves dragging and dropping descriptions of the functions of the structures onto the blue boxes of the diagram. And the third option to the right involves dragging and dropping both the labels as well as the descriptions onto the appropriate boxes of the diagram. The next 3 options all involve filling in the text boxes instead of dragging and dropping. The first option in the middle involves typing in the labels of the structures into the yellow boxes of the diagram. The second option to the left involves typing in the descriptions of the functions of the structures into the blue boxes of the diagram. And the third option to the right involves typing in both the labels of the structures as well as descriptions of their functions into the appropriate boxes of the diagram. The last 2 options are a mixture of the drag and drop and fill in the text boxes activities. The first option to the left involves dragging and dropping the labels of the structures onto the yellow boxes of the diagram, and underneath this, typing in a description of their functions. The second option to the right is the opposite. Here students will drag and drop the descriptions of the structures onto the blue boxes of the diagram, and above this they will type in the labels. This resource comes with an answer key and a teacher implementation guide. Multiple activities can be used for one class. You can also use one or more activities for initial learning and then use others for review, reinforcement, or test prep. This product can be found in discounted bundles. Click the links to these bundles in the product description if you want to find out more.